and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankita. I would love to hit 1,000 subscribers really soon, so if you guys could do me a favor and subscribe to my channel, that would be amazing. I'm thanking you guys in advance. I do a lot of makeup tutorials, I do some lifestyle vlogs. I'm also in med school, so I try to incorporate some med school vlogs here and there. So in today's video, I'm bringing you a nice old-fashioned makeup tutorial. You guys can sit back, get all your fall vibes, maybe sip on something nice. I am drinking a pumpkin spice tea. So good. It's this tea from Hardy & Sons Fine Teas. It came in this box, which is just like the cutest. It has Rubio's natural pumpkin flavor, cinnamon, cloves, and nutmeg. I just did my nails. I painted them this shiny mauve color. And to get you guys into the spirit, I have to show you guys these pumpkins that me and my sister painted. I painted this. It just says "Witch Please," which I think is so cute. And then I painted the handle gold. It's very simple. And I just did like a little moon and some stars with the witch going in the background. I got some sparkles. I love it. I'm saying it's simple because wait till you see my sister's. She outdid herself. This is what she painted. This is just absolutely beautiful. She like painted the whole pumpkin white and then did this like beautiful pattern. It's just so pretty. She has to find a way to preserve this and keep this forever because it's just so pretty. I also have a little candle going in the background. It says "Pinch Me Pecan." I'm having a good day. I'm just trying to give you guys some fall cozy vibes, setting the mood. I did this makeup look and I think it looks so cool. I love this green eyeshadow. I went into the city this past weekend and I wore this eyeshadow look, so it is wearable. I used some fun products from Glossier. We got Rare Beauty. We also have Maybelline and Pacifica, so other drugstore products as well. If you guys want to see how I created this makeup look, just keep watching. So I'm starting off with some argan oil. This oil is amazing. It's 100% argan oil from Trader Joe's. It's a nice weightless oil as opposed to oils such as coconut oil that has a more thick consistency. This is just a very light, weightless feel. So that's why it's great. Just moisturizes my face, makes it look all nice and nourished. I want you guys to just relax with me. As you're doing your makeup, make this your me time. That's what it is for me. It's a couple minutes where I just get to focus my attention on my face. And so when you're prepping your face, putting your oils, doing your skincare, just take that time to say your affirmations. When I put in oils, I just like to massage it into my face, and it's just makes me feel good about myself, makes me feel like I'm taking care of my skin, just giving that attention towards your face. For foundation today, we are using the Rare Beauty foundation. I am the shade 360W. So this foundation is honestly amazing. Good job, Selena Gomez. She knows what she's doing. And oh my gosh, the consistency, the way it feels on your skin, like it honestly feels so soft, like pillow-like. I can't even describe it. I just put like a few dots on my face and then blend it in. The key to using this foundation that I've noticed is to make sure that your beauty sponge is damp. That really helps with the coverage and it really helps the product just blend into your skin really well. I've tried to blend it in with a dry beauty sponge and honestly it just doesn't work the same. For optimal results, definitely make sure that your beauty sponge is damp. Can you guys just see how even my skin tone looks? It's literally this foundation. It's amazing. So next step is the concealer. So I'm just using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I am the shade 35 Deep Foncé. Then I'm just gonna go in with some powder. So I'm using this Glossier powder. My shade is G5 to G7. And I just apply a little bit. Moving on, I'm just going to go straight into my eyebrows. I'm using the Revlon Color Stay Brow Pencil. So one side is this nice brow brush and the other side is the pencil. So all I'm doing, don't mind my brow hairs, I haven't done my eyebrows in a while. I plucked them recently, but I didn't go super precise. So I always start on the inside and just make a faint line just to find the edge and I make a line on top. Just like define the arc that I'm making, and then I just start filling in the gaps. And then I take my brush and just comb through all my hairs. And that's it. I haven't gotten them done in quite a while. I've been doing them myself, just by plucking or just waxing where I need to. Growing them out more for that bushy look. Also, I just hope you guys are having an amazing fall season. I know that I am. Last time we left off, I made a tutorial of myself getting ready in Grenada. That was in August. It's come back home. I just actually came back home a few weeks ago, so I was there for 2 months. I had to come back for just personal reasons, and I'm just going to finish off the semester at home online. I had a great time there though while it lasted. I do have some vlogs that I've filmed, so I will upload those when I have the time. School's just been really hectic and busy for me. I will upload those vlogs because I have the footage for it, and they're just really great memories. So moving on to the eyes. I'm using the Becca Cosmetics palette. This is the Ombre Rouge palette. So I'm just using this little blending brush. This is the domed blending brush by the company Eddie Funkhauser. So I'm going into this brown shade. You really just need any sort of neutral brown shade. I'm just putting this in my crease. I'll zoom in so you guys can see better. This eye tutorial is so simple and easy, I promise. It requires very few shades. And then I'm just taking a little bit of a bigger brush, just kind of blending the color out a bit more. So now I'm using this green color that's just so adorable. It's the Glossier Lidstar, and this is the shade Herb. They come in these really cute tubes. Looks like a gloss stick. This green color is just the cutest fall shade. This is obviously more of a cream glossy eyeshadow, so it's really cool, and once you apply it, it does dry up, so it won't look super glossy on. Let me just show you. And I'm really just applying this to the entirety of my lid. I'm just carving out the lid shape. This color is definitely brown skin approved. Just going back in with this color, and I just want to make sure that it's kind of blended out with the green. It basically comes off in a liquid consistency and then it just dries, so it's pretty cool. There's no residue. And then whatever's left on the brush, I'm just bringing it on my lower lash line. That's it for my eyes. I'm just gonna pop on some mascara. Wow, look at those lashes. I'm using the Telescopic mascara by L'Oreal Paris in Carbon Black. I just slightly wiggle through my lower lashes. Sometimes whatever I have left over, I just brush it through my brows, especially because I didn't put eyebrow gel through them. I just did that very lightly just to keep them in place. I'm going in with this bronzer. It's by Rimmel London. It's called the Natural Bronzer. It's in the shade 027 Sundance. Taking this little like stiffling brush, it's the MAC 161 SES brush. And I take whatever's left on my brush and just apply it to the side of my nose. Give it a little bronze moment. Who says you can't look sun-kissed in the fall? Going into this palette by Pacifica. It's called Cherry Gold. It has a highlighter and blush duo. I love this because this is 100% vegan. In general, most of the products that I use are usually vegan, but I'm going in with this blush. I'm using the same brush that I used for the bronzer because now I'll have a little bit of that bronze cherry mix, and just apply it to my cheeks. I'm bringing it in, putting some on my nose, applying it to the other side. For highlighter, oh my god, I'm so excited about this. I'm using the Rare Beauty Positive Light Illuminator Liquid. Never used this before. I think it's the shade Flaunt, and they describe it as a silky second skin liquid highlighter that creates a lasting lit from within glow. Oh, so pretty. This is just absolutely beautiful. So excited. So I'm just going to do like 2 little dots. I'll put like 1 on my nose. I have a feeling a little goes a long way with this product. I can't wait to use this in the summer. I think it's going to give a really nice, like that golden glow. Okay, you see this? Amazing. For my lips, I'm just taking a little brown liner. To create a base for myself. And now I'm using the Glossier Ultra Lip in the shade Trench. I tried their new Ultra Lips and they're supposed to be more of a glossy lipstick. These lipsticks are also vegan. She's looking good, she's looking glossy, and we're here for it. I think this is so funny. The website describes them as the cashmere sweatpants of lipsticks. That just shows you how soft and comfy it's supposed to feel. So that's it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Have a great rest of your fall season. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye! She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.